63741. Sale, use, etc. of lamps, modified, original designs, or performance of vehicle. No person shall have for sale, sell, or offer for sale for use upon or as a part of the equipment of a motor vehicle, trailer, or semi-trailer, or use upon any such vehicle, any headlamp, auxiliary driving lamp, rear lamp, signal lamp, or reflector which reflector is required hereunder, or parts, or any of the foregoing, which tend to change the original design or performance unless of a type which has been submitted to the Department of Public Safety and approved by it. No person shall have for sale, sell, or offer for sale for use upon or as part of the equipment of a motor vehicle, trailer, or semi-trailer any lamp or device mentioned in this section which has been approved by the department unless such lamp or device bears thereon the trademark or name under which it is approved so as to be legible when installed. On your lamps and your light covers, everything in that manner will have DOT stamped on them. No person shall use upon any motor vehicle, trailer, or semi-trailer any lamps mentioned in this section unless said lamps are mounted, adjusted, and aimed in accordance with instructions of the department. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.